Hello everyone, welcome to Vortech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you an alternative way to make a USB Windows installer. First, let's search for RUFUS in your browser. Click on the rufus.ie link and download the latest version. Run zip. Plug in a USB drive with at least 8 GB. Let's pick an ISO image file that I downloaded earlier. Let's do this by its default setup and click Start. You can also use RUFUS to make bootable drive for Linux, Android, etc. Now that it's done, let's check it, and there we go, a bootable USB Windows installer. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.